I make more money on Pinterest with 700 followers than I did on TikTok when I had 700 followers, and let me explain to you why. First and foremost, TikTok doesn't let you put a link in your bio if you have under 1,000 followers. So when I had 700 followers on TikTok, I wasn't even able to redirect my followers to anything that I was selling. So I was making $0 from my TikTok at that point in time. Even when I had 0 followers on Pinterest, I was still able to add a link in my bio and a link on every single piece of content that I posted to redirect the people interested in my content to what I'm selling. My favorite thing about Pinterest is followers don't matter on Pinterest. You can have 0 followers and still make as much money as someone with 7,000 followers. It truly does not matter. If you're posting quality content that people are searching up and people want to see, you will make money on Pinterest if you're selling something. That is the key. So important to remember that Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media platform. It is a search engine. So we have to treat it like a search engine if we want to make money. We have to be adding in keywords and phrases into every single post that we make on Pinterest if we want to see success. If we want to make money with no followers, you have to be prioritizing SEO. This is why I recommend Pinterest to all the beginners out there. You don't need a following. You don't even need to show your face. It's such an underrated social media platform to utilize to market what you're selling and make sales passively. Once you post the content, it lives on there forever and it'll continue to generate impressions and sales, all from content that you posted weeks ago or months ago or even years ago. So take this as your sign to start taking Pinterest seriously, start putting in the effort, start doing the research for your SEO terms, and start really utilizing it as another means to market what you're selling.